Okay, hello you all. So once you are done creating your Amazon associate account, just follow the prompting. They will tell you what to do with each step. On here, I just created another Amazon associate account. I've not entered my tax information. I've not entered my payment information. So they're actually giving me a notice to fill them so that I can get paid once I make a sale. So this is it basically for this one. And now you can go on to, you want to see the products based on what you feel. You're going to get recommended product or popped up on your page. But in case you don't see recommended product popped up on your page, you can go to products, a linking. If they have promotions, it's going to be actually here. Tools, you can see product advertising app. You can actually also advertise your stores on Amazon so that people can actually buy more from you. But what's the need of advertising when it's only commission you're earning? Just put in effort and put into all the platforms as much as possible, and then you're gonna start earning as quickly as you can. So this is product linking, product links. So this is it. Now is it banners? If you want to do banners, it's actually gonna ask you what kind of banners do you want to focus on. So yeah, these are the banner categories they have. Amazon device, Amazon fashion, the Amazon kids, Amazon music. What kind of banners do you want? So let's see for Amazon devices. This is garment, this is Harry Potter, kitchen, food, garden, and all of them. Let's see Amazon devices. You know what banner is, of course. You always see your banner when you are on see banners when you are online. So this is the banner for Amazon device. Learn what Alexa can do. That's a banner. There's another banner. Get smarter about air quality. This banner for a product, and the links are just down there. Learn what Alexa can do. This is it. So these are what banners have for you. But if you don't want to do banners, you can come on to product links again and search for what you want to search for. Is the all Amazon items you want? They have it here. Do you have a specific keyword, ISBN or ASN you have? You type it here. Now links to best-selling products by categories. These are best-selling books. You can decide to write about any of those books and get sales. So let's click on one of these books. Let's see what they have for us. Okay, so let's just search for so this is it for the book, but that's not what I am after right now. This is the link for the book, so we'll quickly have to go back. Paw Patrol the movie. You want to read about it or have an idea of what you are actually gonna promote. This is it. It's other related items on here. So this is it. You read about it so that actually you can even have content to use to promote it, or content that you can put on your site so that people can actually read and know what this is about before they buy a product. So we want to go back to where we were. So product, let me just use here. I want to do fashion. What kind of fashion? I was not specific, but try to be as specific as possible so you can get the best items. Now they don't know what kind of fashion to actually show to you, so there are so many options. So let me go specifically to sneakers. Go. All this can still be done with your phone. You always, when you look at your phone properly, you also see these stuffs. So you do sneakers here. Can you see? So let's get the link for this one. We click and get the link. Here we highlight the link, we right click and we copy. But you already know how to copy with your phone. Also highlight with your phone and copy. And once I've done that, I've gotten what I want from Amazon. I come to my WordPress. Yeah, so now let me check this out to shoes, or let me do sneakers. Beautiful black sneaker. Just describe the sneaker in your own words. Black sneaker. Good. And now I come all the way down here. Then so what I just got to do is paste what I just copied, the link I copied. Voila, my shoe is here, so you can see it. If you want to preview, you preview. If you want to share it with more people, you still click on share. Click on share. Yeah, this option comes for you to still copy the link again and share. You want to share on Facebook, you want to share it via email if you're an email marketer, if you're a Facebook affiliate marketer, or a Twitter affiliate marketer. You can still share these links to wherever you actually have to share. So if the link is already highlighted, of course you just right click, copy, or of course you highlight if you're using a phone, copy, and then you go on ahead to share your link. Now I'm done with this, and because I worked on this page before and deleted, it's actually showing me update. If this is just a fresh work, it's gonna show me publish, but since this is not a fresh work, it's showing me update. And now I'm updating my page. My post has been updated, and am I done? Let me preview to see what it looks like. This is what everyone is gonna see. Currently desktop link do for mobile. How does it look in a mobile? How it looks in mobile. You can have some other content written so that your work doesn't look so scanty. So preview, let me see what it looks like on a tablet. Also what it looks like on a tablet. Yeah, so are we done? Yeah, we're done. And that is it. My posts have been published before, so I'm only updating. So we are actually done. This is it. So once people come on board here and click on this, it's gonna take them to Amazon site, and once they click, it takes them to Amazon site. And Amazon sites, of course, is protected security wise, so they can make security wise, so people can actually easily fill in the details and buy stuff from Amazon. So this is it basically. If you have any questions, you drop them down below. If you want to share a link on Facebook, the same process as well. Just put your write-up, paste the link on there, and then it's gonna go on to work from there. So see you all in our next class. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye.